Nagnap pa si Sawyer, guys. Hindi pa nagising. Saan pa sila Oh my gosh. Disaster na naman yung room ni Shelton. Ayan. Kaya itong damit. Damit ng friend niya. Disaster na naman. At ang room ni Sam. Let's see. Hindi masyado. Ala. Anong nangyari dito? Yung dalaga ko umalis. Ganito ang hitsura ng kanyang room, guys. Ayan. Siguro naglaro sila sa labas. Pati si Shelton. Tulog pa si Sawyer, guys. Pag wala ako, iyak yun siya. Bababa na ako muna. Bit-bit ko yung kanyang milk. Nag-grocery pala si asawa. Oh, may pancake. Nag-grocery pala si asawa, guys. Siguro hindi na kami ginising kasi nagnap kami ni Sawyer. Kasi si Sawyer kagabi ay hindi nakatulog ng maayos dahil sinisipon na naman siya. Hindi ko alam kung bakit sinisipon na naman siya. So ito pala yung grocery ni asawa, guys. Bumili siya ng burger, bun. Tapos ano to? Bumili siya ng dinner rolls. I-open natin yung ilaw kasi medyo madilim. Ayan. So, ayan. Bumili siya ng made in France na pancake. Iinitin na lang to siya, guys. Ayan. Iinitin na lang to siya. At ready to, eat. Tapos, bumili siya ng mango. Oh, wow! Ang galing niya, ha? Talagang nakaano siya. Nakabili siya ng mangga na matigas. Kasi gusto ko, guys, matigas. Ayaw ko yung sobrang lambot. Ah, wow. Nakapili siya ng maganda. Very good si asawa. Tapos, bumili siya ng popcorn. Malaki ang binili niya. Bumili siya ng malaki at bumili din siya ng maliit. Ayan, isang box ng maliit na popcorn. Good job. Tapos, bumili din siya ng broccoli. Ayan. Grapes. Tapos, ano to? Blueberries. Oh, bok choy. Bumili siya. Very good. Tapos, ito yung favorite ko na brand, guys, na strawberry ang dress ko kasi ang matamis talaga siya. Tatlo yung binili niya. Yan. Tapos, bumili siya ng cucumber. Popcorn. Wow, good job talaga si asawa. Bumili siya ng popcorn na ilagay lang sa microwave. Ayan. Ang bigat nito, ha? Ang dami nito. Yan. Pala. Diba? Yan yung popcorn, bumili pala siya ng mangga. Yung yellow na mangga. Bakit andito to? Ayan. Bumili siya ng mangga. Ang galing. Bumili siya ng green mango. Ayan. Yellow na mangga. Ano pang binili niya kaya? Bumili siya ng ganito. Ito. Dates. Bumili siya ng dates, guys. So, ang dami pala niyang pinamili. Walang orange. Hindi siya bumili ng orange. Hindi ata siya bumili ng orange. Bumili din siya ng keto seeds na bread para sa kanya. Susubukan niya yan kung di ba tataas yung sugar niya. Oh, wow. Good job. So, ito lahat, guys, ang pinamili niya. O, yan. Good job si asawa. Nag-grocery kahit wala kami. O, diba? Bumili pa siya ng lemon. Ayun, marami pa siyang lemon, guys. Yan. Asan ba siya? Tingnan natin sa labas kung ano ba siya sa labas. Andun sa labas. Malamig na naman. Ano ba tong weather namin? Nakakaloka. Tingnan yung hangin. O, diba? Ang lamig. Sobrang mahangin. Ayan. Tingnan niyo yung puno. Andun siya. May kausap siya sa car. So, wala, umiyak si Sawyer, guys. Siguro, nagising siya na wala ako. Hi, Mommy's here. Mommy's here. Why are you crying? Huh? Oh, because Mommy is not with you? Oh, wow, Mommy is here. Mommy is here. Pagising lang niya, guys. Galing nap. May ubo siya at may sipon. Pero wala naman siyang lagnat. Okay, Mommy's here, okay? You can stop crying now. Nagyayay na naman si Sawyer. Okay. Pag wala kasi ako, guys, sa tabi niya, nagising siya, umiiyak siya. Kaya, umiyak siya kanina kasi wala ako. Yes? Don't cry, Lucky. It's fine. Do you love Mommy? Antok pa tayo siya. Okay, let's get a milk in the fridge, okay? This is the only thing that you bought.
I'll put up bok choy, cucumber, dino nuggets, strawberries. I got all of it.
You didn't get orange?
Orange later.
What do you want?
They do have brown eggs again. I got three packs.
Oh, that's good.
I got 2 milk. They're both out there.
Okay.
I got
He didn't get a medicine for him. Buti na lang kahapon naglinis ako ng pantry. At nailagay na itong pinag-grocery niya sa Costco. So, ayan guys. Ilagay ko na. Parang mainit siya, guys. So, kailangan ko siyang i-check yung, kanyang thermometer, kanyang temperature. Okay. Naku, wala naman. 98. Wala siyang fever. So, good news. May hugas na pala dito na strawberry. Oh. Muntik na maubos ng asawa ko yung isang ganito, guys. Oh, ang sarap. Tingnan natin kung matamis. Kasi dress cold to eh. Harap. Matamis siya. Ito yung atay ng baka. Lutuin ko to, guys. Minarinate ko na siya. Prituhin ko lang siya. Maya. Yung beef na minarinate ko kanina, pinrito ko lang siya. Yan. Kumakain si Shelton guys ng liver steak. Gustong gusto niya yung lasa. Nagbalat ako ng mangga guys. Kaya lang, ano pa siya, hindi pa siya madong mahinog ba? Crunchy pa siya. Tapos gumawa ako ng soy sauce, sugar, tapos vinegar. You like the sauce? This one?
Not bad.
Not bad. Here. Uy, drink water. You don't have water. Natuk-an na. Guys, oh. Harap. Minat po.
He threw his toy at my head.
He spanked his hand. Spunk his hand. Okay, don't do that. That's why you spank him. Hey! Stop throwing!
No, I don't care. No.
It's too much, huh?
I don't care, Mommy.
I don't care. Clean up. Clean up. Malito na ka, ha? Okay. Shelton, get my belt right now. Get my belt. I'm going to spank this baby because he's kicking his toys. Okay. Go, brother. Get the belt, brother. Get the belt, brother. La, brother. Come on. Clean up then, because brother's gonna get the belt. Clean up faster. Clean up faster. Takot to siya pag sinabing belt. Tingnan nyo, di ba? Really? Yeah, get the belt, brother. Oh, okay, brother. Never mind, brother, because he's cleaning up now. Good job, Sawyer. Okay, clean up. Kala mo, ha? Dali. May kasama pang laro. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Sawyer. Okay. Your pancake there. Throw in the garbage. Pick it up. Please. The pancake. O, bahala ka. Ubo pa. Sige. Nagustuhan ni Shelton ang mangga na may sausawan, guys. Uy! No! Ay, naku, Sawyer. Eh? Pag hilaw, masim-asim. Wash it.
I didn't.
Medyo masim-asim kasi mahilaw pa yung ano. Talagang crunchy pa yung mango. Hala. Ang gusto ni Shelton yung sausawan ng mangga. Makain siya. Yucky eh! Huh? You lock the gate?
Yeah, Sissy.
Why you lock the gate?
Sissy, Mommy.
Hmm?
Sissy.
Sissy lock the gate? Reading books.
Yeah. I was reading book. And she locked it. I was reading book. That's the garden. And that's the reading book. That's locked again. How is it unlocked it, Mommy? How is it locked it again, Mommy? Unlock it. See? Look.
I know.
Oh.
Ang daldal ni Sawyer, guys.
Oh.
Super.
Open it.
Di ka mabuboard. Dahil super daldal. Mula umaga hanggang gabi. Super madaldal talaga siya. Nagutom ako, guys, kaya kumain ako. Paksiw na, adobong paksiw na tulingan.
Okay.
Ulo kasi ito, guys, ulo. Gusto ko ng ulo.
That's it for the lemons in it, so.
Huh? There's one more.
Huh?
There's one more.
Okay, good.
Oh, Sam! Hon, bring a blueberry here. Please. Uh-oh. Ulo.
You're so cute.
Tulingan. Hmm? Yeah?
He's in the garage.
Oh, no.
Daddy was looking for you. He was about to cry because he was like, Daddy, I
Yeah.
have a lemon. And he was like, Daddy.
Talong.
And then he went in the garden. He's like, oh. Dad, do you think you can pick me up tomorrow?
Daddy work.
The lemons are gone. We're done. We got blueberry. Come on, go.
Sam, can you give me a water, please?
You ate, sorry, you ate all the lemons. Oh, God, baby.
You didn't give him a juice? You didn't give him a juice?
No, I didn't. Here's your lemon.
He likes the
Oh,
juice.
you want juice?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
He's drinking that juice, the pure one. Pure lemon. No water.
Huh?
I'm gonna go upstairs. Love you guys.
Love you.
I thought he can.
He wants to be like that.
Don't put water there. No, no. Ew, ew. Ew, the water needs it. Ew,
I'm
ew.
gonna take it away if you don't drink it.
He's adding water.
I'm gonna eat these. I'm gonna eat some. I want to open it. I need to do that fork.
Pulled pork, yeah.
I was looking everywhere for an expiration date and I can't find one.
Me too.
Oh, you did too?
Mm-hmm.
Give a spoon. Why do you want a spoon for?
No spoon.
Okay, Mommy said no.
No more spoon.